Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Rell here, and today I'm going to be showing you how I do my everyday makeup. I did a look like this last year, and I've pretty much changed up a lot of things in my routine. So this is the makeup look that I do when I have to run out really quickly, maybe run an errand, to go to work, anything like that. So if you want to see how I do my makeup on a regular basis, then just keep watching. So first I'm going to be priming my face with my Tatcha Silk Canvas primer, and this is a really good primer, guys. If you guys have not picked this up yet, I suggest you do. For my foundation, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r foundation in the color 420. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape in the color Tan Sand. I'm going to mix in a little of my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Walnut. Once I finish applying my concealer, I'm going to just blend it out with my beauty blender. Next, I'm going to be contouring with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in Dark Cocoa. And I'm going to take the back of my beauty blender and just blend that out. So I'm back to using cream contour now. I know it's a little backwards considering that it's technically summertime now, but it seems like everything is just a little bit more flawless since I've been back to using it. Next, I'm taking my SACHA Buttercup setting powder and I'm just setting my concealer in my highlighted areas. Next, I'm going to bronze and set my contour with my ABH powder bronzer in Mahogany, and I'm also going to just contour my nose as well. I didn't contour my nose with the LA Girl Pro Conceal because my nose just gets extra oily and cream concealer is not going to help it. So I switched to an actual contouring brush to contour my forehead, and I'm just taking that same brush and dusting away the powder. So I'm just going to take a little of my Laura Mercier translucent powder in medium deep to set my smile lines. And then for blush, I'm going to be using the Black Radiance Baked Blush in Toasted Almond. And I'm going to dust away that powder on my smile lines. And then I'm going to pick up my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray and set my face. So for highlight, I'm going to pick up my Stila Heaven Hues highlighter in bronze. And I'm just adding some of that highlight right under my brow bone. So I'm picking up my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm going to use that for my top lashes. And then I'm going to be picking up my Benefit Bad Girl Bang, and I'm going to use that on my bottom lashes. So for my falsies today, I'm going to be using the Eyelure Luxe Silk lashes. And I'm going to be honest with you, I wasn't a huge fan of Eyelure till I got my hands on these. And for my lips today, I'm going to be using the MAC and Patrick Starrr Lipglass and Mamastarrr Kiss. And this is the final look, guys. As you see, it's not really too much that I do. I definitely changed up a lot of the products that I used. I literally have to get ready and jet out and go to work right now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You already know what to do. Hit that subscribe button down below, or I'll probably have it somewhere on the screen. I don't know. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about the video. Give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the bell notification too. YouTube has been doing some weird things that I've been hearing about. So just make sure you hit the bell icon so that you'll get notifications, because I really don't know what's going on. And I'll see you guys in my next video.